Hi there, Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service right here in the Highlands in Louisville, Kentucky. Today I want to show you the brand new Miele Guard L1 hard floor vacuum. This bad boy is beautiful. I love the design of it. It's a totally new look than what Miele is used to. So I'm very excited to have this in my store. The AllFloor is a very simple machine compared to their rest of their lineup. When it comes to the flooring, this is their brand new AllFloor tool. Brand new. They've never had a tool like this. You go from hardwood floors to low pile carpets without having to switch anything. Usually you have to hit a little lever to go back and forth and it adjusts the brushes up and down. Now it's super simple. Just go from hardwood floors, tile, laminate, whatever you want, over to your flat rugs. Now I want it to be low pile or flat. This is not going to be sold to any of my customers with any thick water wall carpets and such like that. That's when we're going to get into the other lineup that has a power nozzle that's going to really deep clean the embedded dirt out of the water wall carpet. Telescopic one. I love how they put the dusting brush right here on the end of the hose. So now you do not have to go to the closet and get it, or open a hood or a lid and get it out of there, or if it's missing. It's attached to there, you're never gonna lose it. It's the most common dusting or tool that you have on a vacuum, so they put it right there with easy access. So I love that new design out of Miele. Moving on to the actual unit here. We have 4 different cleaning suction modes from high to low. That's to get the perfect suction for your certain type of flooring, from hardwood floors, low pile carpets, drapes, upholstery. You can control the suction all right here. Cord rail, hit the button one time, cord's gonna go in. It has a 36-foot cleaning radius, so you can tackle a big wide area without having to move the plug around. On the crevice tool and upholstery brush, 2-in-1. So you're going to use it like this for your crevice tool, then you're going to open this up to do upholstery. So they made it where there's not a whole lot of tools that you're going to lose or you have to go find. So dusting brush here, 2-in-1 tool here, sits right down in there. Inside the vacuum cleaner, they did redesign the bag system. The old C3 models, we had a little bit of bad history with the bag not being completely sealed in there. The customer would not push it all the way in. So now they made it where you do have to slide it in and then close the tab that will lock it in place. This vacuum also runs hospital grade HEPA filtration, which if you know anything about Miele, that's what they're known for. This bad boy here, 3-year warranty. We keep it in stock. Very excited about it. You have to come demo it. I'm going to try to attach a small demo on this AllFloor tool because it's very impressive. So stay tuned to the end of the video and you can see what that bad boy can do. We're at 1523 Bardstown Road, right here in the Highlands, right across from the Mark's Meat Store. Thank you so much. Have a good day.